Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the basics of views in SQL. So basically the view in SQL is kind of virtual table to which you can query the data. So suppose if you are going to use a select query too many times, then better create a view around that select query and query the view itself rather than querying the original table. So I'm going to show you an example of the views. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we can see the list of views in your database. So I'm going to say show full tables in Sakila where table type like view. Okay, so if I'm going to execute this particular query, it is going to return me the list of all the views in our database. Okay, so here we have actor info view. So I'm just going to first say show create view actor info. So if I execute this, this is the output. We have a view actor info and this is the definition create view, and it tells us about the character set client and collation connection. Okay, in case you want to see the underlying query of a view, you can just say select view definition from information schema views where table schema equals to Sakila and table name equals to actor info. So if I execute this, this is going to return us the definition of the view. Okay. So now if I want to query this view, I can just say select star from actor info view, and it is going to return us whatever is there in that particular view. So I can even say describe actor info and let us see what happens. Okay, so this is going to show us the structure of the view. Okay, what columns are there in the view. So I hope that you understood the concept of view. In the next video lecture, we are going to have a look at how we can write an actual query to create an actual view, and then how we can retrieve the data. So for now, just understand views are nothing but the virtual tables in your database that happen to act as a layer between your actual tables and the user. Suppose if you are going to use a query too many times, a select query, okay, suppose you are going to use a select query too many times, then you can create a view using that particular query, and then you can just say select star from and the view name, and you will get your data without much hassle. So in the next video lecture, we will see how to create our own views and all. So I hope that you understood the concept of view. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot again, and I will see you next time.